Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best knee pads for welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing, and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, Sellstrom Ultra Flex 3 KneePro. Ever finish a long day with aching, sore knees? I used to dread kneeling on hard floors at work. Pads would slip, dig in, or just not protect enough. Then I found Sellstrom Ultra Flex 3 KneePro knee pad. Triple layer foam cushioning. Seriously, it feels amazing. The heavy-duty shell protects against sharp tools and rough surfaces. Check out this hinged design. Moves with your knee, never slips. Soft elastic straps sit above and below, no pinching or pressure. Speed clips mean I can get them on and off in seconds. Watch this. I kneel, walk, even run, and they stay put. No marks left behind, thanks to the non-marking grip strips. Super lightweight, so I barely notice them after hours of work. Perfect for construction, gardening, flooring, any tough job. Trust me, your knees will thank you after a long day. Ready to work smarter and protect your knees? Grab your pair of Sellstrom Ultra Flex 3 knee pads now. Number 4, NoCry Professional Work knee pads. Tired of knee pain slowing you down on the job? Meet NoCry Professional Work knee pads, built for serious work. Picture yourself installing floors or tackling tough construction tasks. Stay comfortable and protected even during long hours kneeling. Unique ankle support delivers unmatched stability and reduces pressure. No more sore ankles. Work with confidence and ease. Premium TPR anti-slip cap ensures superior grip on any surface. Trust the knee pads professionals rely on for safety and performance. Dual gel and high-density EVA foam provide maximum cushioning. Experience all-day comfort that adapts perfectly to your knees. Adjustable neoprene straps and silicone strip guarantee a secure fit. No distractions. Focus on your work, not adjusting your gear. Built from durable polyester, designed for long-lasting use. Backed by a lifetime warranty for total peace of mind. Upgrade your workday. Protect your knees and ankles like a pro. Get your NoCry knee pads today and feel the difference. Number 3, meet REXBETI knee pads, the superheroes of comfort. Packed with extra thick gel and foam, like marshmallows for knees. Maximum comfort means less knee pressure, more happy dancing. Heavy-duty PVC shell, tougher than your grandma's cast iron skillet. Reinforced stitching keeps these pads together, even during epic fails. Strong hook and loop straps hold tighter than a toddler's hug. Anti-slip fit, no sliding, no moonwalking, just solid support. Extra long straps, 1.57 inches longer than other brands. Size matters. Thigh support design, your knees' personal bodyguards. Built for construction, gardening, flooring, and more tough jobs. Ergonomic support means your knees won't file complaints. Durable fabric laughs in the face of dirt and debris. Professionals trust REXBETI for all-day knee happiness. Got issues? REXBETI's customer service is faster than a nail gun. Choose REXBETI because your knees deserve first-class seats. REXBETI knee pads, comfort, protection, and a dash of style. Number 2, Klein Tools Hinged knee pads. Tired of sore knees after long hours on the job? Upgrade your protection with Klein Tools heavy-duty hinged knee pads. Perfect for construction sites, flooring, or tough industrial tasks. Experience all-day comfort with gel and foam-padded pockets. Pressure is evenly distributed, reducing fatigue and discomfort. Large, rounded knee pad surface boosts stability on any terrain. Move side to side with agility, no slipping or shifting. Quick fasten buckle and thigh strap ensure a secure, adjustable fit. Hook and loop strap keeps pads in place even during intense work. Heavy-duty stitching, hard plastic, and metal rivets for durability. Built to withstand rugged environments and daily wear and tear. Sold in pairs for complete, reliable knee coverage. Trusted by professionals for superior comfort and protection. Don't settle for less. Protect your knees. Boost your performance. Get Klein Tools hinged knee pads today and feel the difference. Number 1, TROXELL USA SuperSoft Leatherhead knee pads. Ever finish a long day with aching knees? Kneeling for hours on hard surfaces is tough. I used to dread tile jobs and concrete work. Pinching straps, sore knees, uncomfortable gear, been there. Then I found TROXELL USA SuperSoft Leatherhead Kneepads. These are designed for pure comfort all day long. Wide neoprene strap sits below the knee, no pinching. Easy hook and loop closure, no fumbling with buckles. Ultra soft foam cushions knees, reduces fatigue instantly. They stay put even when I wear shorts. No slipping, durable leather and neoprene handle any job site abuse. Machine washable, just toss them in and hang dry. I can kneel, move, and stand freely, no restriction. If you're a pro or DIYer, these are a game changer. Try TROXELL USA SuperSoft Leatherhead Kneepads today. Work longer, feel better, your knees will thank you. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.